we are going to review numbers through the 40s. So think back to class. Numbers in the teens start with a 1. Say it again. Numbers in the teens start with a 1. Numbers in the 20s start with a 2. Say it with me. Numbers in the 20s start with a 2. Next up, numbers in the 30s start with a 3. Say it with me. Numbers in the 30s start with a 3. Numbers in the 40s start with a 4. Say it with me. Numbers in the 40s start with a 4. Before we do these missing numbers, I have some numbers written on paper to see how well you remember your numbers from 0 up to 40. So if you know it, say it. 47, 12, 17, 31, 40, 28, 36, 14, 37, 45, 18, and last but not least, 23. So now that we've reviewed numbers through the 40s, let's look at these missing numbers here. So I can see these start with a 1. Numbers in the teens start with a 1. So think about what the number is, and if you know it, then count with me. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What does 16 look like? 16 is a 1 and a 6. Count it with me. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Numbers in the 20s start with a 2. So I know it's 20 something. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What does 25 look like? 25 is a 2 and a 5. Numbers in the 30s start with a 3. So I know it's 30 something. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What does 37 look like? 37 is a 3 and a 7. Numbers in the 40s start with a 4. So it's 40 something. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. What does 45 look like? 45 is a 4 and a 5. Let's count it together. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.